And here we go, that's about an 8G pull. And as he exits, it should go into a flat spin. And he should start rolling it out. There we go. The aircraft roll rate is about 460 degrees a second. The VNE 220 knots plus a bit of that. Out of the tail slide and he pushes out. It's very difficult in high density. Got density altitude today. Very good maneuver. Nice and crisp. Tumble, and he holds it off. Tristan is just 25 years old, been flying since the age of 13. He's had his license since the age of 17. Just over 500 hours in total time. Configuration is as it initiates what they call a snap roll, which is basically an inline spin. The negative G capability of the aeroplane. It is about a 5G negative push. Back onto the knife edge and into a stall turn. This is a very, very difficult maneuver and at high density altitude, not a simple thing to do. Tristan is targeting another national championship this year, and we wish him well. Showing you a bit of a rudder turn through the rotation and into a double snap roll. Get big eyes going towards the ground. Should be demonstrating some nice high-speed passes now. That's why they call it on. It's an incredibly dangerous maneuver, and he's at a high alpha, so very close to the stall. That's why you hear the high power. As he waves you goodbye.
We looked after the country very, very, well. And if you're looking down on the block, disappears. Watch now. Get your cameras straight ahead. Up they go. Jared's got it. Hello.